Alright guys, we're headed to Summer Special. And it's where we're going to be going on a hike. It's going to be a lot of fun. So far right now we're driving to go get some coffee, get a little breakfast in us because we are starving. I'm hungry. It's 10:30 in the morning. I'm ready to eat. So we're going to go get some food. And then we're going to head on a hike, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm super excited. Coffee. Oh, it's like sex, but in coffee form. And we got bagels, bacon, egg, and cheeses on an everything bagel. The best thing you could possibly get. If you live in Central New York, this is the place to go. I'm not going to disclose where it is, but you can probably tell from the coffee, but it's cool. Probably the best thing ever.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Yeah. Check it out right now. Show it to the camera. I know you want to. Look at that. Look at that shit. Fucking delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Smells good. Everything's good. I'm hungry as crap. We're gonna munch on this as we go to the place. So yeah. We arrived. Place. Super excited for it. I'm gonna see what it is, what we can do. I think we're gonna be going to a little lower fall outlook for the falls. And then I think after that we're gonna go on like a mile hike or something like that. So it should be really fun. I'm super excited. I know she's excited too. I feel like this is deja vu for us. Remember when it seems like a deja vu when we were at the Adirondacks? Remember that?
Remember that one time?
Yeah.
Oh, it goes right out to the lake.
Yep. Wow. This is gorgeous. Wow, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Wow.
Stop.
We actually just made it to the waterfall, and by God, it looks gorgeous. So does she. She's walking on the fucking little things because her feet are hurting here because we've been in the water the entire time, and this is gravel. So I'm gonna show you guys in just a second what this looks like. Ready? You guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready. Look, get ready to this. Holy crap! I don't know if you can see it. Looks gorgeous.